get the money, then you get the power, respect. Post come last.
Stop playing with him.
D Vinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. D Vinci here with this bomb baby girl pink makeup look. Blair requested this tutorial, so this one is for you. I hope you enjoy. I had limited pink products, but your girl made it work. So if you're interested in seeing how we slayed and got this super cute pink look,
And a cup of meal, pockets full of real. Why your man calling on me?
make them pay my bills. I don't give a fuck. I get fucked up by shit. Big girl wills when I'm pulling. We're gonna start off with Body Lava. My sister just bought this for me. I'm super excited. We're gonna actually put this on our face. We got Body Lava all over our face. We could start off with the face because the face would be easy. Kat Von D all over our face. We've never been afraid of any foundation. And I kind of gotta move quickly, low-key, because the sun is going to be setting soon. You guys, I'm like so well not prepared. Hold on. So we're going to blend out our foundation with the BH Cosmetics brush. I hope you guys like this lighting. It's literally natural lighting today. We need to blend it out. I don't even have a damp sponge. I'm in a rush because I want to take a bomb picture with the golden light lighting. All right, we're gonna just use the Fenty Beauty in the shade 300 for our makeup look. Alright, so we're gonna just blend it out with this big old Morphe brush. I normally wouldn't use something like this to blend it out with, but we don't have nothing else right now. Actually looks flawless. My NARS, of course, in the color, let's just blend that out now, Hazelnut, and begin contouring. Just make sure it's blended out. And we'll just take our fingers and blend that out. Now that we're blended, we're gonna go in and set our face with RIHANNA in the shade Banana. Tap it in there, kinda, like, you know, just kinda like tap it in there. We're not gonna really bake. Okay, and we're gonna just go in all the places that we set concealer. Powder our whole face with our Cover FX. This is my favorite thing to do, kind of blend together everything. So this is a fast glam. Like, it's gonna be bomb, but it's like a fast, like literally a fast glam. This whole look so far, this face base is taking me 10 minutes. And I'm just using my Black Radiance True Complexions palette. It's one of my favorite palettes ever. We're gonna go in with a super light concealer. We're gonna use our Custard by NARS, because we're going for a really light eye, and yeah, I need the color to show up on my skin. But what we are gonna do is zoom us in. All right, so we're gonna just blend that out with our finger. In the James Charles palette, they have a super cute pink color. This super light pink shade. I'm gonna start off with that one. It's actually really light, so you can't really see it on my lid, if you guys can see. And I will show you everything that I am using. That pink, you can't see it on me. Okay, so my e.l.f. blush quad has some pinks that I could possibly use. I'm gonna go in with this light pink shade here. And this is out of my blush. Then we're gonna add the one at the bottom. Because I'm not digging it, I'm gonna go in with this hot pink color from the James Charles palette. I wanted it to be more like subtle pink, but the pink vibe is gone. Like, yeah, this is making it look cute. This pink is actually giving me what I want. These other pinks I had, y'all, it was a no. Then just to give us like a hint more pink, we could just go in with our finger. Color is a lot more pigmented. Directly from your finger to the lid. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that neon pinky color that was way more pigmented. Like I always say, you could blend it out as far as you want to. You have bags. Bags are cool, but if you had bags, you could really blend it out. But I'm gonna go in with that light pink shade. I'm gonna take my Amethyst palette, Alchemist palette from Kat Von D, Pink Opal, and I'm going to put this in my inner corner. It's like a fluorescent pink shade, and I'm gonna kind of go ham with it. blush. I normally don't ever use pink blush. We're gonna go in some pink blush. We gotta hurry up. Sun is coming down. Smile. We're gonna go in with a bit of this Body Lava, that pink opal by, and then let's not forget that it smells bomb. So the Body Lava kind of, it just needs to be tapped in a bit more. So let's just make sure this is tapped in because it's kind of sticky. Last but not least, let's spray our face. Okay, so for the lips, I put on lashes. For our lips, we're gonna go in with Dolce K. Yeah, this stuff is dry. That's a whole no. It's like so dry. Then we're gonna go in with this pink NYX gloss in the color Strawberry Parfait. And it smells like bomb. I'm gonna go stick my edges down and style my hair, and I'll be right back for the finishing look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know what eye combinations you wanna see in the future, because I'm gonna do them.
First you get the money.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Popped and tags these bitches.